Greetings YouTube! This is a silver top flyer coming at you from North Georgia. And I hope you're well. Yes, I have no hat on. I am showing you my silver top. It's one of the few moments I won't have a hat on for you. This video is about the Navy's new concept drone. It's an underwater unmanned autonomous vehicle. It's an extra large vehicle. This vehicle is about 85 foot long. They are talking about it being nuclear operated, which I don't know about. There's nobody there to operate it and make sure everything's going right with the nuclear fuel. Make sure it doesn't melt through the hull and cause a terrible disaster. But evidently that's what the Navy's going for. They say the underwater vehicle can be used to launch the Tomahawk cruise missile and many other types of missiles. The biggest thing they want to use it for is mine laying and mine clearing. Evidently, mine clearing in the ocean is very, very dangerous work. And that's why they want the underwater drone. Another use for it would be something called a morpedo. This vehicle could go off and drop off several mines that are autonomous. And when they're ready to use them after the drone is out of its way and after all the friendly forces are out of the way, those morpedos could strike from hundreds of miles away. I thought this was very, very interesting. I found it on Forbes magazine. It just popped up on my phone. No, I don't read Forbes. I did find it the article very interesting. You'll find a link in the description down below. I'll go ahead and link the article to you so you can read it for yourself. I would like to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May your children be blessed. Make sure you leave cookies and milk out for Santa. I wish you all a ho 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 and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is the Silver Top Flyer, signing off.